Hi everybody, it's Rachel from Dodge City High School again. So in this video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about an app and website called Canva. It's spelled Canva. I use this app for literally everything. So I use this app a lot to create presentations, to create infographics, to create things for my classroom. This app is my favorite thing because it's completely free. It has some really great design aspects. I use it to update my student organization social media with graphics. I use it to create presentations for my classroom. You guys probably recognize this presentation here on critical thinking. I used it for that. This is my welcome presentation for my classroom I designed on Canva. Here's what the little design window looks like. So when you open a presentation, you have all of these potential templates on the left-hand side to scroll through and choose. And then you can edit and make any template your own. I used this template. I changed the colors on it. I edited the text. I put in my Bitmoji. It's really a lot of fun to work with. And it definitely kept my first day of class a little bit more lively than usual. So yeah, it's a lot of fun. I love this app so much. It works really well with all types of all types of computers. So all of this stuff, I created the themes for my Google Classroom on here. I created my hall passes on here. And it creates really high quality resolution images. I just copy and pasted again my Bitmoji. Printed these off, laminated them. They were wonderful. I think a concept this could be really awesome for teaching is definitely creating interesting and professional presentations. So, like this guy, I didn't do any of the graphics. They were already there. I just rearranged them and made it look good and made it fit with the topic that I was using. So it's a lot of fun and really a helpful tool. Let's see, what else? Oh, I made my college graduation thank you cards on here. I made a infographic for my cousin's bachelorette party on here. So honestly, this is such a universal tool. This is my personal website, but a lot of this stuff you can download directly into like Google Classroom or directly into Drive or something like that. So it's a really awesome tool if you are bored of Prezi or just kind of plain sort of presentation things. So it's got a lot of really cool and unique tools. So here are a lot of their different templates. They do literally everything. This could also be a really cool PBL tool. So like say your students were creating their own business, they can create a logo on Canva. They can create a business plan on Canva. They could create a menu on Canva for a restaurant. They could create a table of contents. So like this is really cool for content areas that aren't graphic design centered, but could appeal to a graphic design minded student. Because it's free and it's got really high quality design aspects. So as somebody who studied graphic design a little bit in college, I really appreciate this website and what it offers to regular people, right? People who don't want to pay for the Adobe suite. So I really love this app. Can't say anything bad about it. I highly recommend for pretty much anything you need it for. So yeah. If you guys have any questions about Canva, let me know, comment below, and I will help you out. Thanks.